Now I'm on my way from Løkken and I go into Skagen where I will spend the night. And the weather is really good. No wind, sunshine and marvelous landscape in the flat country of Denmark. So wrap it up, now we go to Skagen. Arrived in Skagen. It's a really cute hotel. Look at it. It's like a little fairy tale. I'm supposed to wait 2 minutes for check-in. I'll be standing here 12 minutes. When is the right time to push this little fellow again? Oh, it's a quiet atmosphere here, but they are probably busy. Time for another ring. Maybe they left the building. Now we're entering the room. Oh, it's quite nice. Cozy bed. I think it will do for the night. Good morning. I've slept well. And now it's time for the best meal of the day, breakfast, besides lunch and dinner. So here on the breakfast table we have, starting with hot things, bacon of course, sausages, eggs, and this is the, I think it's the Danish speciality. It's like a liver pate, and this is also hot. So I will try it. Yeah, it's liver. It tastes good. A bit irony with a good texture, soft. Real. And also here is I think some typical Danish to have like just ham, some other sort of ham, salami, and some blue cheese. Try the blue cheese right away. Very blue cheese. Powerful. I think this is enough. And of course, to start the day with coffee. We're on the way to where two oceans meet at a place in Denmark called Grenen, which has around, I think they have over 1 million visitors a year. And it will take, I think, around 2 kilometers to walk all the way out. And this is the little start of the journey. It's very sandy to walk, but I went up on the wrong hill. Ah, here you can see the ocean. That's here. Get some fresh air. And it's very steep. Take 1 step forward and 2 back because of the sand. This little fella got me caught. And that is a fantastic view. I can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. A lot of boats here, but the cargo ships goes. This is the water called Kattegatt, which is on the eastern side, and Sweden is on the other side. And it will meet up eventually with the other ocean, which comes from the Atlantic. It's called Skagerack. So when they two meet, it will be where the waves come together. It will be cool to see. And this, I think, is from time when there was war in Europe. Probably the Second World War. It's like a bunker. Woohoo! Yes, it says, standing here on the beach right now, everything probably seems peaceful and calm, but look back in history. You will find periods where things were quite the opposite here on Grenen. Each time Denmark was at war, the Sea of Skagen's reef was always particularly important to protect and against invading enemies. If they got past there, they could sail directly into Kattegatt and reach the rest of the country, in particular the capital, Copenhagen. Interesting. And now I will take a short walk. With the ocean meet. Come with me, come on. It's a beautiful day to just take a walk, get my energies up, and get some sunshine in my face. And that face could need it, I assure you. It's very crowded where the ocean meets. I will see if I can bump myself into it. This is Kattegatt, and this is Skagerack. Quite busy. And here's where they meet. On the most northeasterly part of Denmark. Now I'm in the city center of Skagen, and we will take a stroll down the little town, just enjoying the environment. And here's a little pølsewagen, means sausages. Footballs. This is a restaurant. It's quite big for a small town, but it's also a very popular place to go for tourists and also for Danish people. I see in the distance restaurant selling Smørrebrød. It's a very typical Danish lunch, more like they have like a proper lunch, different sort of things, but serve it on a bread. So it's not that big, but you can buy different sorts of bread with different toppings, and we will try it out. This is ditt smørrebrød. Smørrebrød, let's go in. Hello. A table? Yes.
Here.
Okay. Thank you. Not for lunch. Thank you.
And this one for Tetri.
This is for...
This is English.
Ah,
You have to pick.
thank you, thank you. So it's one for... Is one for enough, or do you take for lunch 2 or 3?
Maybe about 2.
2?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I'll take. Thank you.
So we thought to take breakfast, but yeah, so we come back later. Yeah. Thank you. Breakfast anyway.
They call it open sandwich. They have a lot to choose from. Show you guys here.
Thank you.
Herring and curry salad, pickled herring with onions and capers, slightly warm bowl. I see what I like the most. Slightly warm dishes, home baked with bread. It's around 40 dishes. I had to make up my mind. Okay, now we'll make the order. I will have the roast beef with remoulade, horseradish and fried onions, which is in Danish roast beef. Yeah, this one, and also a pickled herring with onions and capers. And maybe something to drink. Ah, on the other side. I think we will have just some ice water. I do a round circle. I hope they understand. And I'm very excited. Looks amazing. Fantastic. It's a big herring with the capers, red onion, eggs, tomatoes, no, lettuce, sorry, and on the bread. See how it tastes. Take a little bit of many things. Tastes real good. The fish is salty, pickled, and with the bread, it fits really good. Some capers at the side. Quite strong. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. This also looks really good. I'm very excited for this. It's the fried onions, horseradish, and roast beef, pickled cucumber, lettuce, and I imagine it could be bread underneath. Like an extra close. It's a bit tricky to eat because it's so much of it. Or tender roast beef, and also sharp horseradish. It fits good with fried onion. And to freshen it up a bit of the cucumber. And here's the remoulade sauce as well. Really good dishes. I will enjoy it now. With the remoulade sauce, horseradish, roast beef, and bread with the cucumber, it's a really good match, and I can see why people love the Danish Smørrebrød. Delicious with the big D. Thank you, Denmark.